Henderson-based conservative social media app Parler is fighting to get back online after Amazon Web Services removed it from its platform. Parler filing a lawsuit against Amazon in a U.S. district court in Washington, requesting a temporary restraining order and alleging an antitrust violation and breach of contract. This after the app had come under fire since last week's insurrection at the Capitol for being a kind of digital meeting place for right-wing extremists. Amazon Web Services sending a letter to Parler on Saturday addressing what they call a, quote, steady increase in violent content on your website, all of which violates our terms. In the letter to Parler, Amazon attaching screenshots of posts from users appearing to incite violence. But in the lawsuit, Parler alleges that Amazon, which also provides platform services to Twitter, has not taken similar action against the social media giant. Quote, Friday night, one of the top trending posts on Twitter was "Hang Mike Pence." But AWS has no plans nor has made any threats to suspend Twitter's account. Stephen Bates is an associate professor at UNLV who teaches First Amendment law. He said Amazon's decision to boot Parler is not a First Amendment violation, but he wonders whether it violates free speech in a broader sense.
To have anybody shutting down speech is something we should worry about, whether it's government or a corporation.
Bates says while hate speech is covered by the First Amendment, inciting violence is not. But Bates says that should be up to the government to decide.
And it generally means inciting violence right this minute, sort of almost a clear and present danger. Like, let's this mob go kill the governor right this minute. And saying that something, should happen in some distant or conditional future, that's not really incitement. But in any event, that's not a question for Amazon to be answering. That would be a question for the government, the police to answer.
We requested an interview with Parler CEO John Matz and did not hear back. Jackie Kostek, 13 Action News.